gawa, soba. We use this when talking about left or right on a road, seat positions, being next to someone, or which side you support. Soba, 道の左右、席の位置、誰かの隣、またはどちらの立場かを話すときによく使うよ。Part of speech, a noun and also a productive suffix. In plain use, soba means near, beside, and as the suffix gawa, it marks a physical side or a group, perspective you belong to. 体の横や物の縁を表す言葉だよ。誰かの隣にいる感じも言えるし、どちらの立場味方かを示すときにも使えるんだ。The only kanji means a side or a flank, often the part next to something. It can describe physical position or the group you belong to. You see it in words like migigawa and sotogawa. Remember, the readings change with use, but the idea of by the edge stays the same. おかまって。おい。Please come to my side. 私のそばに来てください。私のそばに来てください。There are a lot of cars on the right side. 右側は車が多いです。右側は車が多いです。Please take a seat on this side. こちら側の席に座ってください。こちら側の席に座ってください。There is a park on the other side of the river. 川の反対側に公園があります。川の反対側に公園があります。The most common synonyms of the word are sokumen and chikaku. Sokumen focuses on an aspect or facet, often abstract. Chikaku focuses on physical proximity, like nearby. Both overlap with positions or nearness expressed by gawa, soba. The most common antonyms of the word are hantaigawa and toku. Hantaigawa contrasts a different side or camp, while toku contrasts nearness by showing distance.